Now the second step is going to be to add a list. Now we already added a campaign. Now we're going to add a list. So you're going to go to add new list. Everything is pretty simple, pretty basic. Now list ID. What I'm using right now is I'm using the same ID number that I used for the campaign just to keep everything together, because if not, it becomes too complicated, especially when you have a lot of lists, a lot of campaigns, a lot of leads. So we use 200 for the list name. I'm going to use the same formula, which is company, alliance, department, which was cancel, and then the month, which was October. So now we did 200, which is the same list ID as a campaign, and then the same title. Now we're going to link it to the right campaign, which is the same format that we use right now. So there you see, you can see it, 200, alliance, cancel, October. So we're using the same just to keep it as easy and basic as possible. Now active, you're going to put yes. Script override, you could choose the script that you're using, which is cancellation script, and then you submit. Now it says list has been added successfully. Upload leads. We're not going to upload them right now. That's the next step. And then you could just press submit, and then it shows successfully. So now you go to alliance cancel. It's going to show you that there's no leads because we haven't added leads, but it's already there. Now let's add another one. Let's add another list. We're going to link it to the other campaign that we added, which was 201. Remember, you're always going to follow a sequence, and you're going to follow that sequence. So we already did 200, so we're going to do 201, which is the same one that we did, and we selected Infinity as a company. Infinity. We said it was renewal, and then October, I believe. Now we're going to link this list to the campaign that we're going to use, and as you can see, it's going to be the same title as the campaign. So 201 Infinity Renewal October. Once again, we want to keep it as basic as possible. So instead of creating a title for the campaign and creating a list ID for the campaign and then a different one for the list, we're just using the same one. So we're matching the same data. And then script, this will be the renewal. So you're going to submit it. And once again, we're not going to upload leads right now. That's going to be a different video. And then we're going to submit it. Now, just to show you, if you go to admin, you go to list, view your list, we're going to see these two that we added. So there's a lot of data. You could just ignore it. Let's just go to 200 and 201, which is the ones that we just added, 200 and 201. And there's no leads because we haven't uploaded any leads. But this is how you know that it's been added. Now, you could do the same thing for the campaign. You could go to campaign and view campaigns. And then we'll see the same information, 200 and 201, which is already there. And then there's a couple of things that you could do within this modify action feature. But once again, that's how you add a list.